Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and voice-activated navigation. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.